Hello everyone! So today I got this box from China with all the Chinese writings on it. So let's see together what's inside. I don't know what's inside. I'm not good at tracking these Chinese tracking codes, and I'm ordering a bunch of stuff from China. So I know probably what it can be, but I'm not sure. So let's check it out together. I can't wait to see. So it's packed quite well. So here we go. I know what this is. This is an adapter with two USB sockets and 4 sockets for the lighter for my car. I bought these 2 pieces, so they are identical. I bought one as a gift, and the second one I bought for me. So let's open the one I got for me and see how it actually looks. Okay. I will need the scissors again. Here we go. So let's put out all the stuff. What we have here is the thing. There are 4 sockets for the lighter, so it like this would go here. It fits quite well, like solid fit. And there are other 2 for the USB, I think, for the chargers. And what else do we have here is like I think this can be used to like fix it to the car somewhere. It's like this, yeah, and it's fixed. Oh, I don't know actually. I will be filming another video already inside the car to see how it actually works and how to use it. So I think I will find the story of this thing in there. So thank you for watching, stay tuned, and see you in the next video.